Hello, my fellow sneakerheads. This is sneaker resident Benjamin Scott. Welcome to the first episode of Sneaker Jamz Rebound. And on today's first episode, I'm going to show you an awesome pair of Air Jordans. And believe me, they're looking badass. And it'll make you say, like Michael Jordan, I'm back. Check them out. Whoa! Oh, look at that. Look at these bad boys right here. These are the retro double nickel Air Jordan 10s. It was originally released back in 1995. Here are some sneaker facts. These shoes are on sale at StockX.com. Forget this. The retail price is $190. Can you believe that? $190. That's not so bad. Plus the taxes, of course. But make sure you put that in your sneaker budget. Check out the texture of the shoe, y'all. I mean, check this out. I love the white, the black, and the red as well. You can see number 45 right there. Love its leather texture. And on the bottom of the shoe, love its colors. The red and the black. And it does have the CBC approval. Comfortable, balanced, and casual. No doubt about that. Bonus sneaker facts. These shoes were worn by the greatest of all time, Michael Jordan. Yes, he worn these when he returned to the Bulls back in 1995 against the Indiana Pacers. Even though the Bulls lost, but it was a great game for Michael. And no doubt, he wore number 45 that time before he switched back to his old number 23, that I'm wearing right now. And trust me, you're going to see these Jordans in both runway shows and photo shoots. And yes, I have worn them to my second job at a clothing store. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I know you do. What can I say? I'm a sneakerhead, and I'm loving it. And I'm still loving it every day. Woo, woo. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You're definitely going to see me wearing these bad boys every day. Oh, yeah. Gotta love them. And I also want to say to all of you guys out there, thank you guys so much for keeping me in your prayers throughout my recovery. Yes, 2020 was a suck-ass year. Yeah, it really sucked. Not only for them, but to me as well. And it was the best time for me to concentrate on my recovery. And of course, making a major comeback, which I have this year. I'm back, healed, and better than ever, y'all. No doubt about that. Back in the fashion industry, back in front of the camera, like I am right now. It's so awesome. No doubt about that. And I'm still continuing the sneaker industry every day. No doubt. And I'm going to represent not only for myself, but to you guys as well. Remember, casual sneakers are the best in the fashion industry. You could dress up, you could dress down. It's all about being yourself. If you can't be yourself, well, nobody can accept you. I mean that, for real. When I mean for real, oh, baby. I mean for real. No questions asked. No doubt. And of course, I want to say happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. And to all the boys and to all the girls out there. Treat your dad awesome, great. No doubt about that. Spend time with your dads. It's very important. I know I did when I was a kid before he passed away. God bless your soul, Daddy. Love you. That's why our dads are with us in our hearts every day. Well, that's all the time we have for today. There will be more Sneaker Jam Rebound episodes coming your way throughout this summer. No doubt about that. Now, if you want to know which casual sneakers will I show y'all on Sneaker Jams, or better yet, which special guest shall I bring on Sneaker Jams? Even better, which great sneaker debate will I show y'all on Sneaker Jams? Well, that's for me to know and you to find out. So stay tuned to the next episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless y'all. Be safe. Have a great Father's Day. And as always, this is Sneaker Resident Benjamin Scott saying, I'll see you guys next time. So God bless y'all. Peace. And always remember, lace them up and kick it with Sneaker Jams.